Hello to everyone watching my video. So today I want to be showing you guys how to produce a toilet cleaner. A toilet cleaner, just like the popular Harpic you know in the market, used for cleaning the toilet. So I want to show you guys how to produce your own at home. So just watch this video, follow the steps I'll be using. Right now I'm actually displaying my ingredients that I used, and I'm displaying their measurements also. So you can do well by writing down the measurements. I'm actually producing a quantity of 3 liters. I'm making 3 liters of toilet cleaner. So just in case you want to produce more quantity, you just double the ingredient that I've displayed here. Over here is the HCl. HCl is actually the most active ingredient in the production of toilet cleaner or Harpic. It's actually what removes those stubborn stains from the toilet. So I will also display how to know the quantity of HCl to use, just in case you are making for more quantity of liters. So to determine the quantity of HCl to use, you add all your measurements and multiply it by 10%. So you add every measurement you are using, which is the SLS, sodium sulfate, soda ash, caustic soda, and water. You add all their values together, their measurements, you add all of them together, then multiply that value by 10%. And in my own measurement, I got 353 grams for my HCl. So that is the standard measurement for knowing the quantity of HCl to use. Just use that formula displayed on the screen and you will know the quantity of HCl to use. HCl is always 10% when making Harpic. It's always 10%. That is the recommended quantity of HCl to use. Don't forget to wear your protective gloves and put on an eye goggle. HCl is very dangerous. It can cause permanent blindness. So you make sure you put on your hand gloves and wear a eye or an eye goggle. You put on an eye goggle to protect your eyes. So you have to be very careful. You don't want to lose your eyes when producing something to clean your toilet. You still need your eyes to see your toilet, so you don't want to lose them. So just follow the procedures I'm using here in this video. Don't forget, ebooks are available. I have ebook for skincare formulation, and in my ebook I have given the requirements just in case you need a NAFDAC registration number. I have highlighted the requirements that NAFDAC will need from you before they give you a NAFDAC registration number. It is written in the ebook. Then also in the ebook I have highlighted NAFDAC offices for all the states in Nigeria. So just in case you are in a particular state and you don't know where NAFDAC office is, when you purchase this ebook, you will see the address. Then also, if you don't know where to buy chemical, in my ebook I have highlighted addresses in different states in Nigeria on where you can purchase chemicals for soap production and other skincare formulation. So once you purchase this ebook, you get these addresses, and there are also a lot of skincare formulation in the ebook. There is the soap making, there is the body cream, there is the detergent production, the liquid soap production, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the Izal, the Dettol. There's a lot of formulations in the ebook, up to 18 formulations in the ebook, and it's very affordable. It's not expensive. So reach me by the number displayed on the screen to purchase yours. Then also I organize online classes. I have online classes. You check the description of this video to join my online class, just in case you want to be educated more on how to produce stuffs like the laundry bar soap. You need more education, more ideas on how to produce soap. You want to be good in soap making. You can do well by joining my online class. You will learn a lot there. Then just in case you will not be free to join those classes, you can just purchase the ebook and be learning.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, so this container, I actually purchased it where they sell chemicals. Where I bought my chemicals, this container was sold there to me. It's used for packaging Harpic. So I just want to show you how I'm going to use it in this video. So that funnel is too big. The funnel is too big for that container. It won't allow me to do the job properly. The funnel is too big. It's not entering the mouth of the container properly. So I'll just have to pour it into the container directly using the cup. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like this video, drop your comments in where you're having challenges in producing your own Harpic. Don't forget to follow this channel, subscribe, do well by subscribing so you'll be updated with our next and new videos. So I'm going to leave this my production for another 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's going to become very clear. This Harpic in that container will become very clear. Right now, it's actually looking a bit cloudy, but in the next 2 hours, it will be very clear. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye.